Here's how to solve this ACT problem faster using your TI-84. I'm Tina for my tutor. Let's jump right in. Number 16 here is a classic algebra problem. You can solve it algebraically. I just want to show you how to do it with your calculator if you're not sure where to start. So we can use the store function I've used in some other videos because it says what value of x satisfies the equation. They give us four options. So we can start with -4. So to set the x value, you're going to put in the number you want, -4, store to x. And now we're going to type out the equation they have here. I like to make it look like the fraction. So to do that, you hit alpha, the button next to it. If that's not on your calculator, you could get the same thing doing alpha y equals, and n over d is numerator over denominator. And I'm going to type in the problem. X squared plus 2x over x plus 2. And I know if I have the right answer because it should give me 2 as what this simplifies or what this equals. And obviously it didn't. So now this is how quickly you get to check your other answers. I'm going to do -2 store to x. Come back up and highlight the problem we typed in. And then when I hit enter, it's like copy paste. And that is wrong. So, because we're dividing by 0 when I plugged in -2. So I'm going to hit clear. -2 was wrong. We're going to try 1, math store to x. And I can still go up and get the previous problem. I got 1, so obviously 2 has to be the right answer. 2 store x, and that was the right answer. So 16 here is J, and I hope that trick helped. If you want more TI-84 shortcuts for the ACT and SAT, don't forget to follow and check out the free TI-84 starter pack in my bio.